So hello students, today we are present here with class 5, subject is computer and chapter first. On previous video we have completed till page number 8. Today we are going to start our page number 9 and 10. So this is continuous video of your chapter 1, okay. On page number 9, that is electronic digital computer. See, this is electronic digital computer. During the start of World War II, means in the Second World War, US military, US means United States, required computer in large capacity, means they need very much capacity of computer. In 1942, John P. Eckert, John W. Matchley decided to build a high-speed computer. They decided to build high-speed computer, means this word in this sentence means what? Before this computer was not so high speed. It was computer, but it was very slow. It was not a fully automatic, and so they decided to build high speed computer, electronic computer to do their jobs. Before this it was not electronic, it was manual, but now they decided to build an electronic computer, means they will give the electricity to do the work. Their machine was known as ENIAC. This is the first electronic computer. Electrical, numerical, integrator and calculator. Means this was the first electronic automatic computer, ENIAC. So what are the features? Features: can multiply two numbers at the rate of 300 numbers per second. Means in 1 second 300, two numbers means 600 numbers at the rate of per second. Use 18,000 vacuum tube. Can you imagine 18,000 vacuum tube is used in the computer? It means it will cost lot of money for this. It will require lot of place. It will consume so much electricity. So 18,000 vacuum tube, about 1800 square feet. Means can you imagine what is 1800 square feet? This is area, means how big was computer. Computer was 1800 square feet. Means if your house is there, maybe your father, mother, anyone, you ask how much is approx 1800 square feet. Means 1800 square feet means just to say that one house, one medium class house. Such a big computer was that time. Means 18,000 vacuum tube is used, place 1800 square feet is required floor space, and consumption means 1,80,000 watt of electricity. Means it is a very big amount of electricity. Just to imagine, whenever you are using your fan in a house, it is consuming only 60 or 70 watts, maybe 100 watts. And can you imagine 1,80,000 watts? Means just you can imagine full load of Saraiya Hut, just approx that only of electrical powers. So it was very expensive. Consumption of electric was so much, place required is also more, and the cost of that computer was also very high. But if they are using more electric, then it will produce more heat also. If it is consuming more power, it will produce more heat also. So on that time, just nowadays what computer we are seeing, we are looking, that is a very latest one. But in the olden days, just to imagine, it was very big, it is taking a lot of energy and very costly also. Now we are coming to the computer generation. Before starting this, before going to this lines, what is computer generation? See, generation means what? If you go 20, 30 or 40 years ago or back, you see your grandparents is there, after that your parents, now you. In olden days, people are using that cows to travel. Slowly they developed, and they are using bus, car, train. After that again aeroplanes. So slowly technology is developing. generation is increasing. Same way, on the olden days it was abacus, after that Pascal adding machine and all this, after that ENIAC, after that again they build electronic computer, automatic computer, after that again, means people were not satisfied with this also because it was very costly, it was very expensive, and lot of electric um, taking power. So again they started to work on that again, to make it little light, to consume more less space, to take the less energy. So first generation computer, I hope so what is generation you have understand. Generation means in Hindi, if we say, we used to say, okay, just if we say generation means the change of time, the change of time. In olden days people were using bicycles or they are walking by feet. Nowadays just small baby are playing with the cycle. So this is a generation. In olden days you see people were using black and white mobile phone or telephone, that wire one. After that they came to the mobile phone, after that color mobile phone. Nowadays everyone is using smartphone. So this is changing the generation. Now first generation, see till this much this is a digital computer, means automatic computer. After this, what is this? This is the first generation, means generation is going on. So first generation computer was what? Is built in 1947. 1947 means our India got freedom on 1947 only. So on this year they use RAM. I hope so you know very well about the RAM, random access memory. See, when this was there, they were keeping only one memory, but in that time there was no memory to store. But this time they think that if they will not put RAM, ROM, is what will happen? They can't put the, they can't give more space, na? They can't give more space for this. So they decided to give the two storage, one RAM and one ROM. Means RAM will provide the place to work and ROM will store the data. So they use RAM. From 1947 only, on the first generation computer started to use the RAM. Will perform multiplication in 2 to 4 millisecond. See, millisecond is a very small time. So this was, you see, but nowadays after using the RAM, it is taking very less time for the calculation. Size of grand piano. Now see, they were using 18,000 vacuum tube, but now after putting the RAM, what happened? A grand piano. You have seen a piano, na? Means just like a big piano, just like a big piano. Means you can imagine that it was taking 1800 square feet area, and now maybe a grand piano can take how much square feet? 60, 70 maximum. So you see, less of power also, less of money also, and less of space also. After that, what were the features? Means features of this first generation computer. See, first generation computer was from 1942 till 1954. Okay. Use vacuum tube for circuitry. See, only RY is added. This is circuit. What is circuit? You know, if you have seen breaked one CD, DVD, radio, there is a one electronic board, so many electric component is there. That is called a circuit. In olden days they were using vacuum tube, but in this computer they were using circuit and magnetic drums for memory, and magnetic drums for the memory to store the data. They were very expensive to operate, and in addition using a great deal for electric, lot of heat. On that time it was producing lot of heat, and this time also it was producing heat, but less than this. Okay, but less than this. Can solve one problem at a time. This were very slow, but this can solve one problem at a one time. Some computer in this group were, in this group means first generation computer was Mark 1 was one, EDVAC was the another one, IBM 60 was another one, Mark 2 was the another one. See, Mark 2 and Mark 1, this is the upgrade version of Mark 1 only. So they gave the name to UNIVAC and it is so many were there. Occupy lot of space and were slow. These were occupying lot of space and they were slow. So from this first generation computer were start. Thank you.